simplify I to the 35th. There are several ways to go about this. I'm going to choose this route. Let's rewrite I to the 35th as I to the 32nd times I to the 3rd. Now I choose to split this up as the 32nd power and the 3rd power because that 32 can be written as 4 times 8. So I can rewrite I to the 32nd power as I to the 4th raised to the 8th. Remember, power to a power, multiply. 4 times 8 gives that 32. I like to work off this I to the 4th because I to the 4th is equal to 1. So we have 1 to the 8th power times I to the 3rd, let's write as I squared times I to the 1st, or I squared times I. Now, this gives 1 to the 8th, which is 1, times I squared, which is negative 1, times I. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, so end result, this is negative I. A simplified form of I to the 35th is negative I.